Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be making ofe akwu. So ofe akwu is a popular Nigerian food, alright, made from palm fruits. If you are wondering what is ofe akwu and how it tastes, please do well to watch this video to the end to get the perfect ofe akwu that you will never regret eating. Is it the aroma, the taste? Oh my god, ofe akwu is one food that you will never get tired of eating. If you are from Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and the ingredients that I'll be using to make this ofe akwu, I'll be listing them down below the description, so do well to go and check it out. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned and let's dive into the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm boiling my protein for the ofe akwu. In that protein I have my beef, my shaky, and my stock fish. So yeah, I'm boiling them together, and you also see where I'm boiling my palm fruits. That is the main ingredient for this particular food. So yeah, and right after that I have my mangala. The dry fish you saw there is mangala. What is ofe akwu without dry fish? So the dry fish brought out the taste, the unique taste of ofe akwu. So yeah, do well to use your dry fish or any fish of your choice. And you will be needing onions, crayfish, and your bonnet pepper. Okay, so yeah, what is ofe akwu without onions? So just be generous with your onions, blend them together, and also blend your crayfish. Also use enough crayfish for the ofe akwu. So here I'll be adding my blended ehuru, and after that you allow it to boil for some minutes. So guys, our ofe akwu is almost ready. Right now I'll be adding my scent leaf. So scent leaf will bring the ofe akwu to another level. I mean, the aroma and the taste will be 100 over 100. So make sure you use your scent leaf for your ofe akwu. So guys, if you have watched to this point, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much, and see you all in my next one. Bye bye.